What's the meaning of alpinist? Alpinist. 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 Alpinist.
An alpinist is a person who climbs mountains, especially in the Alps or other high-altitude regions. They are skilled and experienced climbers who use specialized equipment and techniques to ascend steep, rocky terrain. Alpinists often face challenging weather conditions, dangerous crevasses, and other hazards that require physical endurance, mental focus, and precise technical skills. Despite the risks, many alpinists are drawn to the thrill of climbing and the beauty of the mountains. Overall, alpinism demands great physical and mental strength, as well as a deep respect for the natural environment.